Imagine a life without fear, holding you back. Sounds amazing, right? Here are 9 tips to help you live fearlessly. First, start your day with a positive affirmation. It sets the tone. Second, face one small fear daily. Baby steps lead to giant leaps. Third, surround yourself with positivity. Energy is contagious. Fourth, practice mindfulness. Stay grounded in the present. Fifth, embrace failure as a learning curve. It's part of growth. Sixth, set clear, achievable goals. Clarity conquers fear. Seventh, visualize your success. See it, believe it, achieve it. 8, connect with supportive people. Build your tribe. And lastly, celebrate your progress. Every step forward matters. Apply these 9 simple rules to your daily routine, and you will see a massive shift in your energy. Share this with a friend who's feeling lost. Like and follow for more motivational tips. Cheers!